Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. In the last problem we were looking at rates and ratios, and now we're going to look at a word problem and see what we can get. Several groups of friends are going to take a shuttle bus to the park. The table shows how much the different groups will pay in all. Predict how much a group of 15 friends will pay. So let's go ahead and highlight the important information here. Well, what I see in this problem is how much a group of 15 friends will pay. We know that there are 15 friends who are in the group. Well, 15 will go on the table at the top because we're looking at the number in the group, and it should go in between the 12 and the 18. However, there's not a space for it. So we've got to find out how much 15 friends will have to pay, and we're going to set up a rate. In order to set up the rate, we need to think of a couple of things. What goes on top in our rate and what goes on bottom? And money always goes on top. Well, the bus fare is dealing with money. So I'm going to put the dollar sign here, or the price to quantity on the bottom. Oh, off to the side, I already know that I have 15 friends, and they're going to be considered the quantity, the number in the group, and I'll put it on the bottom of this fraction bar. I've still got to figure out what number is going to go on top. And I can use any of these ratios in the table to do that. Let's just start with this first one. I'm going to take the price, $12, place it on top, and divide by the value, and put a 6 in the bottom, in the denominator, because it's the quantity, number of people in the group. And I know that 6 does not go into 15, so I cannot create an equivalent ratio here. What I'm going to have to do is create a unit rate by turning this denominator into a single unit. So divide the bottom number by itself. 6 divided by 6 will give you a value of 1. And we're going to take 12 and divide by 6 also. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So now we have $2 per one person. From this point, you've got your unit rate set up. You can ask yourself, hey, how do I get from 1 to 15? Well, simple. You're going to multiply by 15 on bottom. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. When you multiply by 15 on top, now you have 2 times 15 will give you 30. And that's the missing piece of this puzzle. So we'll put 30 on top. $30 per 15 people. Alright guys, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.